If you're buying an iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, or iPhone 17 Pro Max, or you already own one and want to check whether it's brand new, refurbished, or a replacement device, this is the most accurate and up-to-date way to check. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, unlock your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on General, then tap on About, and now look for the model number. This is the key part. Your model number starts with a letter, and that first letter tells you the status of the iPhone. If the model number starts with M, the phone is brand new, originally sold by Apple or an authorized retailer. If it starts with F, the iPhone is refurbished. If it starts with N, that means it's a replacement iPhone, usually provided by Apple during a warranty repair or replacement. And if it starts with P, that means the iPhone was personalized or engraved when it was first purchased. So just remember this: M equals to new, F equals to refurbished, N equals to replacement, and P equals to personalized. That's it. No apps, no third-party websites, no serial number lookups. Everything you need is built directly into iOS. One last thing, a refurbished iPhone isn't automatically a bad thing, especially if it's Apple refurbished. But if you were sold a brand new iPhone and you see F or N, that's something you should definitely question with the seller. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.